It's great to have you back at the Shine Wellbeing VegPatch, your home of integrated wellbeing from the ground up. We're going to head on into the VegPatch today, and we're going into VegTemple 6, where we're going to harvest some free potatoes. We will turn some waste into something great. Let's get our hands dirty. It's payday. We're going to enjoy the harvest together and see what we actually got from a few old rotten spuds. Your guess is as good as mine. I don't even know what we're going to get. We'll see. The delicious, humble spud. Can't wait to see what we get out of this harvest today. We got our harvest basket ready. Now I know where the potatoes are, even if they've lost their tops, because they've all got labels. And you know, the labels are super cheap and super easy to make. I just make them myself, no fuss. And I'll even show you how I actually rebrand them. So let's start stripping back the mulch. Here's your opportunity to show your support for the Shine Wellbeing VegPatch simply by hitting that like button. Thanks so much. content just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Every comment, every like, every subscribe means the world to us. Thank you so very much for being here. Let's see how much we actually got out of half a dozen scraggy old rotten potatoes. So I'm going to have to calculate this separately because my scale's not quite large enough. Okay, so we've got 2.5 pounds so far. Toss them over there and we'll go again. I got this beautiful old vintage scale off of Marketplace. What are we up to? Just short of 3 pounds. Got some of these nice little ones. Let's see if we can add that up. 3 pounds on the dot. It's very exciting. Plus 3. Anyway, as I was saying, I got this scale, this old scale, off of Marketplace. And I just love it. I think it's just beautiful. And in Australia, we work in kilos. This is in pounds. So it's a little different for me, but good for all of you American people out there. But I'm going to convert it for those of us who work in the metric system. All right. Another 2.5. Takes us up to 8. Now these potatoes, once I shoved them in the ground, that was it. I've done nothing for them. There's been no care, no attention, no love, just abandoned basically. I did stake them up for a little while there because I had some other things growing in underneath them, and they were getting in the way of the light. So, but that wasn't really for the benefit of the potato. It's more for the benefit of the other plants. So really, they've done quite well considering they've been grown rather neglectfully. Plus another 3 pounds. Takes us up to 11 pounds, which is about roughly 5 kilos of potatoes. 5 kilos of potatoes for free, organically grown, with no effort at all. It really doesn't get any better than that. Beautiful bunch of spuds that was going to be waste. Now it's going to be turned into something really delicious. Well, what a haul from just a few raggedy old potatoes. We got all of this. I mean, look at the size of them. Some of them are just enormous, beautiful, big potatoes. I can't wait to enjoy these. Thanks so much for joining me today. We really enjoyed your company. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a beautiful day. Shine on.